What's up, everybody? It's Brenson again here, Redfin, coming to you today again in the Aurora Highlands, new subdivision over here in Aurora, just south of DIA, southeast-ish, roughly. This is Richmond American Home. There's about 4 or 5 other builders over here. They've got some great homes, some great move-in incentives, move-in ready, ranging from about, oh gosh, probably high 4s to mid 8s on homes, townhomes, I believe, paired homes. And then they've got this little ranch here. I say little, it's almost 3,500 square feet, 5 bed, 3 bath. And here's the thing, these builders are doing some amazing incentives, not only financing, lower interest rates, but they've knocked $40,000 off of this home, move-in ready. They've got all the landscaping done in the front. You can see the grass needs mowed, so you can move in and first thing you can do is mow the yard. But let's take a peek here. Really nice finish on this brick. Nice little front porch patio area. As you can see, they're still developing over here, but they're in the early stages, most of these builders, of their development. And so again, I've mentioned this in another video, but it's a great time if you're looking to purchase a home. And I know rates and home prices are flat right now, but once they're done, this area is huge. Look it up on the map, Aurora Highlands. There's going to be trails, shopping, restaurant. I mean, there's so much stuff over here, and to get in early, it's going to be hopefully a great investment in the long run. So again, 5 bed, 3 bath. I was wondering, I was clicking the light switch, wondering why the light didn't turn on. They just have the do-it-yourself lighting here. So this is the first bed. A lot of these new construction are doing that because they assume that you're most likely going to swap out all of their fixtures and stuff. So nice bath here, full bath here for these 2 bedrooms. Same thing in this one. They just assume that you're probably going to swap out your own light fixtures or put a ceiling fan, whatever. So this is a ranch style home, fully finished basement. This is really nice. Let's see, let's go this way first. You've got your laundry, so main level laundry, little coat closet, garage. Here looks like wired for sprinklers, like all the rest of them. And then this really open concept kitchen, living room area. We've got a pantry here and gas stove, large, they call them farm sink these days, quartz countertops, and then just this really open area. Gas fireplace with a mantle. And then we've got this little landing here to go out back. Yards again out here, not very big for new construction. There are some actually over here with large yards in the Oakwood development. So if you're looking for a bigger yard, let me know. But for the most part, new construction is going to be smaller yards. Over here to the primary, you've got like a little linen closet here. And this bedroom, I don't know if you can tell, but it is massive, huge. You probably need to buy extra furniture for this. It's that big. And then you've got your 5-piece bath. Great tub, stand-in shower. Does have a seat, dual sinks. And then I forgot to point this out in the other video, but it's got the flooring there as opposed to just a plastic pan. It's the actual tile. So really nice upgrade there. Linen closet, toilet, big walk-in closet. So just huge main floor living on this one. 3 beds up, 2 down. Alrighty. We'll head downstairs. Fully finished basement. And this is, you're gonna like this. Get lost down here. A fully finished basement, and it's plumbed for everything. So check this room out. And they have another similar design to this, not in Aurora, and I can't remember for the life of me where it's at, but if you're interested in this design, let me know, I'll look it up. But fully finished basement, I'll come back to that. Got a couple more bedrooms, got some nice storage under the stairs. Got this bedroom, huge bedroom down here, closet over here, so pop in there. And another full bath for these bedrooms down here. I forgot this one. It's a decent size as well. Large closet. And kind of got like your utility room here, furnace, water heater, a little bit of storage. And then you've got this whole like plumbed in area. So you can put a fridge here. It's got the line for water. Sink, obviously, quartz countertops again. Oh, look at that. I didn't even see the glass. Little cabinets. And then it's got this pantry. And then it's got this whole other back room that's not even finished yet. So we can do whatever you want back here. I'm not sure, but ton of options. So anyway, this one, move-in ready, available, 40,000 price reduction. I think it's hovering around the 730 to 740 range. 5 bed, 3 bath, huge square footage, great incentives, tons of other home builders. So stay tuned. I'll have other videos out here of the other builders. Move-in ready. I just can't say enough about it. So feel free to reach out if you have questions, and I will schedule a tour. Thanks again.